Hello everyone, welcome to Utkal Study Point. In this video, we will discuss daily current affairs of 18th and 19th November 2021. Let's start. First question: which union ministry has launched a unified mobile app for Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav event? The right answer is Ministry of Cultural. Ministry of State for Cultural and External Affairs launched the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav mobile app to enable all single point access to the all information related to 75th celebration of Indian independence. Next question: internationally acclaimed best-selling author Wilbur Smith, who has passed away recently, was from which country? The right answer is South Africa. Wilbur Smith, international acclaimed author, dies in South Africa. Next question: where has the trade fair Zoology been inaugurated? The right answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami inaugurated the famous traditional trade fair Zoology. Next question: who is the winner of 2021 JCB Prize for Literature? The right answer is M. Mukundam. Malayalam writer M. Mukundam wins 2021 JC Prize for Literature. Next question: Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated the Purvanchal Expressway in which state? The right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Purvanchal Expressway at Karwal Kheri in Sultanpur district of Uttar Pradesh. It will connect Lucknow with Gazipur. Next question: who among the following has launched his autobiography Shuttle's Flick Making Every Match Count? The right answer is Puleilo Gopichand. Puleilo Gopichand has launched his autobiography Shuttle's Flick Making Every Match Count. Next question: the campaign Muh Band Kar Rakho has been launched by which bank to raise awareness on fraud prevention? The right answer is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank launched the second edition of Muh Band Rakho campaign to raise awareness on fraud prevention in support of International Fraud Awareness Week. Next question: which organization has launched We Power India Partnership Forum to boost women participation in energy sector? The right answer is World Bank and Asian Development Bank. World Bank and Asian Development Bank has launched We Power India Partnership Forum to boost women participation energy sector. Next question: the trilateral maritime exercise named SITMEX 21 will be held between which countries? The right answer is India, Singapore and Thailand. The trilateral maritime exercise named SITMEX 21 will be held between India, Singapore and Thailand. Next question: India's first food museum has been launched in which state? The right answer is Tamil Nadu. India's first food museum has been launched in Tamil Nadu. Next question: the Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis in New Delhi has been renamed after which Indian? The right answer is Manohar Parrikar. The Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis is renamed as Manohar Parrikar Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis. Next question. Next question is who has authored the novel Lal Salam, which is based on tragic killing of 76 CRPF personnel at Dantewada in April 2010. The right answer is Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani authored the novel Lal Salam, which is based on tragic killing of 76 CRPF personnel at Dantewada. Next question. Which company has partnered with National Thermal Power Corporation Limited to collaborate on green energy? The right answer is Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Indian Oil Corporation Limited has partnered with National Thermal Power Corporation Limited to collaborate on green energy. Next question. Uttar Pradesh first anti-air pollution tower will be inaugurated in which city? The right answer is Noida. In Noida, Uttar Pradesh first anti-air pollution tower will be inaugurated. Next question. India's first dedicated fishery business incubator has been launched in which place? The right answer is Gurgaon. India's first fishery incubator has been inaugurated in Gurgaon. Next question. Who has been appointed as resident coordinator in India by the United Nations? The right answer is Sombi Sharp. Sombi Sharp has been appointed as resident coordinator in India by United Nations. Next question. Which city is hosting the 82nd All India Presiding Officers Conference in 2021? The right answer is Simla. Simla has hosting the 82nd All India Presiding Officer Conference in 2021. Next question. Which country has topped the list of richest countries? The right answer is China. China has surpassed the United States as the wealthiest nation in the world. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of ICC Men's Cricket Committee? The right answer is Sourav Ganguly. BCCI President Sourav Ganguly has been appointed as new chairman of ICC Men's Cricket Committee. Next question. Which country is set to host First Tribal Nation Summit 2021? The right answer is USA. President Joe Biden will announce steps to improve public safety and justice for Native Americans during the First Tribal Nation Summit 2021.